Hey guys, I am just having a beer and I am well working in my wood shop. Um just figured I'd give you guys an idea of what I actually do for a living. Um I'm not a mechanic or anything like that or an auto body guy. I'm a wood carver. And the reason I made the channel was I use pretty much the cheapest of everything just to kind of get by, but you know, I figured to make a channel about it with the boy, and like even to the point of I use like Poulan saws and everything, but that old Poulan is slowly making me that. So you know, if you guys have the drive to do stuff, I can barely see it, but it's a wood spirit. Actually, if we just go outside here, I am right now. I'm working on this, trying to lift this dirt bike gear out. Now that right there is a balcony that I'm working on for a dark fairy house, and it's got little dudes carved in it with beards around the pillars, and then I'm slowly putting this into it. So you guys can see that, and then if you come back, it's going to go into this big hollow stump that I found, and that piece fits inside there. It'll be a peaked roof and completely done in more of a castle style, but yeah, if you guys recognize it, this is the original little man cave. It was too it ended up being too small. Remember I cut this out with a chainsaw to fit exactly a tracker, but it was just too small. I couldn't house all my tools and stuff, so we went for the other garage, which was behind it, which was a lot bigger. We were using it, oh look at that sunset. We were using it for storage, but we needed it for the size of the garage that we had. So we turned this back into kind of a woodshed, which houses everything, including tools, reno stuff, whatever. But yeah, that's I guess the reason I made this video is just because I get asked a lot, where do I work, and about my mechanic skills and stuff like that, or my auto body skills. I just picked up stuff when I was younger, and like I said, I'm an artist, so I kind of put all the things together. And if you guys get the chance, there is a group on Facebook. Now this is where I get all my mechanics information. Well, like I use friends. Got a buddy Mark. That guy's never wrong. No matter what, he comes through for me. But if you're gonna go to a Facebook page, go to Suzuki Samurai Owners 2.0. Now, if you have a tracker or a Sidekick or a Vitera, anything like that, these guys are more than knowledgeable to tell you about these things. Jesse and the admins over there are absolutely wonderful. If you got a question, you just state it, and 12 minutes later, there's like 30 gurus have answered your question, and it really makes things quick. But yeah, that's it for this video. I just having a couple beers, and figure I'd share with you guys about one of the biggest questions that I get asked. So take her easy. Subscribe if you guys do like the videos that I make about the trackers and stuff like that. They are well, slowly coming along. Like I work on them when I can. Those 2 white jugs are going to be a condominium of chicken houses, because yeah, I raise chickens. Alright guys, subscribe, like, all that jazz. Have a good day. Have fun.